When you get to the Wallet Monsters landing page, you'll see 3 buttons at the top labeled Polygon, Binance, and Avalanche. Let's choose Avalanche since we want to use the DApp on the Avalanche network. We'll be taken to the Wallet Monsters login page. Before we can get started, we'll need to get Test AVAX, which is the native asset of the network. We'll need it to cover gas fees for any transactions we'll make. You can get test tokens by clicking here within the DApp. This will take us to a faucet. Here you'll just have to enter the address of the wallet you'll be funding. Since I've done this earlier, I won't be able to use it for a short cooldown period, but once your transactions have been confirmed, you'll have officially funded your wallet with Test AVAX. Let's go back to the DApp login page. To the right of the Avalanche Test Faucet link is another link to the official Wallet Monsters docs. I highly recommend you check it out. It's an easy read and covers every topic you'll need to know about the Wallet Monsters protocol. Okay, so let's log in. Head back to the DApp login page and in the navigation bar, click Wallet Login. Click Current Network and the DApp will display the current network you're connected to. If we are on the incorrect network for the version of the DApp we are currently running, then there will also be an accompanying message informing us to switch networks or DApp versions. It's a good idea to get familiar with the network configurations. The Networks tab contains a drop-down list of the different networks the DApp can configure and add to your Web3 wallet, as well as links to each DApp on the corresponding network. Currently, the Wallet Monsters protocol is deployed on Ethereum's Layer 2 solution known as Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and the Avalanche blockchain. So let's explore the DApp a little. Clicking on the My Enjimon tab in the navigation bar will take us to our tamed Enjimon page. Here we can see and perform all interactions with any Enjimon we own. In my wallet, I have a tamed Boomer. He doesn't need it, but let's go ahead and feed him anyway. I will click the feed button on Boomer's face card, then sign and pay the transaction's gas fee. Now we'll wait for our confirmations. My transaction has been confirmed. And we can see Boomer's starvation time has been reset, and his total Fuji escrowed has increased. If you would like to know more about the escrow functionality, head to the documentation and have a look at tokens and tokenomics. Clicking on the Enjimon's token ID will reveal more stats and additional interactions that can be performed. Moving on, we can get to the marketplace from anywhere within the DApp by clicking the Marketplace button found in the utility bar. Users do not have to be logged in to view the marketplace. On the Global Trainers Marketplace, Enjimon trainers from around the world can place Enjimon and items for sale in the network's native asset. Logged-in users can purchase from the marketplace by clicking Buy on the desired item. Now I can't purchase these items because I'm actually the trainer that placed them on the market, but you're more than welcome to come to the market and buy whatever you need. This is Enjimon Master Mikhail Muhammad, and until next time, I'm out. Peace.